Step 1. Search Huepar in the APP store and download it. Step 2. Turn on the Bluetooth. Step 3. Turn on the laser measuring tool. Step 4. Open Huepar APP and click All Allow. Step 5. Click plus Add Device. Connection successful. Now you can use your mobile phone to control the laser measure. Part 1. Basic functions. Open the app and connect your laser measure tool. From your phone, you can quickly set the reference point, switch units, and choose measurement modes. These basic settings make everyday measuring easier and faster. Part 2. Unlimited data storage and management. Supports unlimited data storage, so measurement records can be saved, organized, and managed by project or usage scenario. Create a group to organize your measurements by area. Add notes and photos, and all connected measurement data will sync automatically. Photo marking function. After connecting the laser distance meter to the mobile app, you can use the photo marking function to add measurement data directly onto real scene images, making your measurements easier to view, record, and manage. Method 1. Photo marking and real-time measurement. Connect the distance meter to the app and place it at the measurement point. Take a photo of the target area, draw a measurement line, and tap the measurement button. The device will automatically measure the selected area and display the result directly on the image, making measurements faster and easier. Method 2. Measure first and add data later. First, use the laser distance meter to measure and get the actual distance value. Then, take a photo. Draw the measurement line and enter the value manually. The measurement data will be saved on the image, making it easy to record and review multiple measurements. Create floor plans quickly with real measurement data. Clearly display walls, distances, angles, and key layout details for easier planning, renovation, and furniture placement. Part 3. Advanced measurement functions. Space measurement, function point to point. Step 1. Mount the laser measure on the tripod. Step 2. Use the bracket or a string to secure the phone and the tool together, keeping the movement angle consistent. Step 3. Choose the space measurement function. Step 4. Measure the first point. Step 5. Measure the second point. Now, you have obtained the distance between the 2 points. Stakeout function. Step 1. Set the starting point and confirm the reference point. Step 2. Enter the target spacing on your phone. Step 3. Move the phone and cardboard together to receive the laser point. Step 4. Follow the distance prompts and mark the point when the target spacing is reached. Step 5. Repeat the process until all points are completed. Smart Templates function. Step 1. Select Smart Templates. Open the app and enter the Smart Templates function. Step 2. Choose the measurement type. Select the point or measurement type you need according to your actual requirements, such as height, distance, width, or the distance between 2 points. Step 3. Follow the app guidance. Aim at each target point as instructed and complete the measurement with the rangefinder. Once all measurements are completed, the app will automatically calculate the final result and display it clearly for quick viewing and use. With smart templates, even complex measurements become simple. Just follow the guidance and let the app help you complete the job faster and more accurately. From daily measurements to advanced functions, the app helps you measure, record, and manage every project with ease. Save data, organize projects, and work more efficiently. Measure smarter, record easier,